The National Weather Service in Milwaukee-Sullivan has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southern Washington County in southeastern Wisconsin, southeastern Dodge County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 5:15 p.m. At 4:45 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Hartford, moving east at 60 miles an hour. Hazard, quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, damage to vehicles is expected. Locations impacted include Hartford, Jackson, Slinger, Germantown, Richfield, Hubebis, Holy Hill, and Kirkhaven. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.